Okay guys, I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and I'm gonna comb it and then I'm gonna blow dry it that way. Hey guys, this is me, Christina Marie. I am doing a dryer test for you guys today. So this is the Revlon hair dryer. I've already tested this. If you guys wanna see how this worked out, I will post that link down below. But I was suckered in on Instagram because I know you guys have seen this bad boy all over Instagram. It is the knockoff of the Revlon brand. So this one here is just a brush that you comb your hair, but it doesn't get my hair like super straight. And this one actually is like, you can see it has bristles in it. You see the bristles? And it has the actual plastic comb like this one that will comb your hair. So I was like, oh, I really all this time had wanted to get the Revlon one, but it's $60, honestly. And I've been seeing this all over Instagram, this knockoff one, so I ordered it. It was $32, I believe. So if I like it, I will post a link down below. But look at how huge this is. And this is going to grab my hair, and I think it's going to straighten it more. Does it work as good as the Revlon brand? I don't know. It just says low, cool. It actually says cool, which I like that. Cool, low, and high, because I like to use the cool setting similar to the Revlon one. Revlon one is pretty darn good. I just couldn't spend $60. I don't know. So let's cross our fingers and see if this one is worth the $32 that I paid for it. Amazon has an excellent return policy, so if I am dissatisfied, I can return this. Let's go ahead and just pull my hair down. I showered. I'm going to put some Garnier Sleek and Shine drops on my hair. I use this as my conditioner. You guys know this is amazing. I'll post a link down below to this, but this is kind of, let's just detangle the hair real quick. So you see, whoa, just put some drops in there. I put it all throughout the end. And then when it's all mostly off your hand, because your hands will still feel like shiny and glossy and slippery, I put it at the top. Okay, so let's turn it on. It has that new appliance smell when you first turn it on. That's high. It's hotter than heck. That's low. It is hot. Wow, this sucker feels really powerful. So let's just dive in. This sucker gets hot. So I always dry my very front section first. You guys can see that. So how straight is it? I'm going to adjust the lighting so you guys can see. Front section, it's not super straight, and it is pretty much dry. I'm going to go ahead and try it again. I'm gonna run it over it. I'm gonna leave this lighting on. I know it's really super bright and looks like I'm coming for you through the screen, like that Ring movie. But you guys can see the wave still. So let's go ahead and blow dry this straight in this super bright lighting. Now I'm going to go to the cooling. What do we think of this one section? Move my hair. Hot, I'm sweating. That looks pretty darn good. There's obviously, it's not bone straight, but it is pretty darn straight. In certain areas. and it's soft. Let me go ahead and just finish up the whole head. I think that was the trick though. Oh, hot. I think that's the trick. Oh, look, the hair looks great when you pull it back. I think you have to run over it, dry it in the hot or the low, and then dry it in the cool to make sure that cuticle goes flat. It's nice and healthy. You guys see how it actually grabs and gives more tension to the hair because of those bristles? I like that, see? So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of combing, and then occasionally I'll grab a piece and just twist it like that to go under. Okay guys, I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and I'm gonna comb it, and then I'm gonna blow dry it that way. I think like I nearly burned myself because as I was doing it, I grabbed it like this, and this bad boy, so it's ceramic. So it's plastic. It's the brush, the bristles, the bristle brush, and then this bad boy underneath. This, you would think it's plastic. It's not. It's ceramic. Unlike this like Revlon one where it's plastic. So, oof, don't grab it while you're blow drying your hair. Gotta stand up to do this. Wow. So this one actually says it's a hair dryer and volumizer. And do you guys think I have some volume going on? Wow, look at that. Now, is it frizzy? I'm gonna have to put some products in it because I think it's a tad bit too much volume for me. Run it through and then comb it with a regular brush. So I know the lighting keeps going in and out. I'm just trying to get the best lighting on my hair, not my face, so you guys can actually see what my hair looks like. Okay, so that was 2 pumps of the Sleek and Shine. Let's go ahead and just comb it through. So I don't think it's like super straight. I was thinking it was going to be more straight than this. It has that weird bend at the end. Let me go ahead and dry this one again. Whew, I'm hot. I'm going to pull the camera down a little bit more so you guys can see all of the hair. So what do you guys think? It does that weird bend at the end of my hair on certain portions of it, but overall, what do you think? I think it actually gave my hair a lot of volume. Did it get it more straight than this Revlon dryer? No, it did not. It does have a lot of volume though, guys. Like if you're looking for something that gives you volume, I would say, look at that. Like, wow, this gives me a lot of volume. If you're always trying to find products that volumize your hair, this one's a good one. Look at that. I think it looks pretty good. Now, is it straight? Are you guys gonna have an issue with that? Yeah, some of you guys will. Thinking like, okay, I'm buying it because I want it to straighten my hair. I want to give it volume. I want to kind of curl it a little bit. I mean, it did. You guys can see the ends. Some of them are like just feathered out, but then some of them have some funky curls in them. That's fine. Honestly, I felt that this one, so this is the cheaper version. I think this one goes for $40 something, maybe 50. The Revlon, but this one is the one that I was really wanting to try, which, like I said, was $60. So considering I paid $32 for this, I think that it's equivalent to the Revlon brand. I know I can't compare it to the other one like this, but comparing it to this one, I think it does almost the same exact thing, except that it gives it more of a kind of curl at the end of the hair, or a wave, as you guys can see. In some areas, like I said, that looks funky. But is it worth your money? Does it get really hot? Yes, it does. Don't ever do what I did and grab the thing because it's really hot. I did notice that it does have this knob at the end that you can touch, and you kind of pull with it like that. Do I like it? Who do I think won? I'm going to say it's a complete tie. Now, who won as far as price? this brand did, this knockoff brand that I've seen all over Instagram. One, just because of the price. Why am I going to pay 30 bucks more for something that does the same thing as this? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did and want to see more reviews like this on hair products and stuff, let me know in the comment section. I will post all the links to these down below in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out.